If your Samsung TV suddenly turns into a solid blue screen, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the most reliable fixes in the exact order that solves the problem fastest. And I'll also show you how to tell when it's not a settings issue and you actually need a repair. What does blue screen usually mean? On Samsung TVs, a blue screen commonly shows up when the TV is powered on but isn't getting a usable video signal from the selected source, or when an HDMI device and the TV fail to handshake correctly. Less commonly, the TV is receiving a signal but the picture processing or panel hardware is failing. Let's first try these steps. Step 1. Do a proper cold boot. First, do a cold boot because normal power off often just puts the TV on standby. On many Samsung models, you can cold boot by turning the TV on, then pressing and holding the power button on the remote until the TV turns off and back on and you see the Samsung logo. Alternatively, turn the TV off, unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and power on. Step 2. Check the input. Next, assume the TV might simply be on the wrong source. If your cable box is on HDMI 1, but the TV is sitting on HDMI 2, you'll often see a blank blue screen. Switch inputs using the input button and pause a few seconds on each input to see whether any device actually displays a picture. Step 3. Fix HDMI problems. If the blue screen happens on an HDMI input, reseat the HDMI cable firmly on both ends, and, if possible, try a different HDMI port on the TV. Then fully restart the connected device too, because sometimes the external device is the one stuck outputting a bad signal mode. If you have another HDMI cable available, swap it in. Step 4. Update the TV software. If the issue began after an update, after a power cut, or randomly overnight, updating the TV software can fix bugs and compatibility issues with HDMI devices. On Samsung Smart TVs, you can update via the TV menu, and Samsung's support guide walks through both methods and what to do if your TV says you're already up to date. Step 5. Reset your TV. If you're still stuck, reset in a smart order. First, reset picture settings. Samsung provides the steps for resetting picture settings on newer model years through the picture menu's reset option. If the issue is happening mainly inside Smart features, you can also reset Smart Hub settings. And if nothing works, do a full factory reset from the TV's reset menu. This returns settings to defaults and can resolve persistent Smart TV issues.